Hello friends, my name is Vishal Vardhan and today we will learn operators. Okay, so I will start. Wait, wait for 2 minutes. Just I am checking that my sound is audible or not. Okay, first I will check that, then I will start teaching. Okay, yes, the sounds are coming. So we will discuss these all operators: arithmetic operator, unary operator, assignment operator, relational, logical, and ternary. Okay, and we will see all its functioning on while doing code. Okay, so we will get clear what are these all. Okay, arithmetic, unary, assignment, these all problems means not problems, categories. We will just do codes and try to figure out that what is this all. Okay, before that, let's understand what is operators. Okay, what is this operators? So first come here. Let's ask from ChatGPT what is this operators means. Okay, after that we will get to know what is actually the operator is. Okay, so as we should study, then we should go in depth for that study. Okay, so that's why first of all we should feel that what actually we are studying. So that's why first we will try to figure out this what is this operators. Okay, then we will jump to its types. When we will into its types, we will try to figure out all these operators by doing codes. Okay, so first of all let's go to ChatGPT and ask here what is operators in Java. Just tell me. I want to know this. Okay, what are these operators? So the answer is started coming. So in Java, operators are special symbols used to perform operation. Okay. So the point to be noted here that it is a special symbols. Okay, fine. Why we use to perform a specific operation perform used to perform operation on variables and values. Okay, so it perform operations with the help of this operator, which we can say as special symbols, is used to perform operation on what? On variables and values. Okay, operator in Java are categorized based on their functionality. Hence, here a breakdown of the major type of operators. So let's see what are the operator are. So here is one arithmetic operator. So they are giving addition, minus, multiply, division, modulus. Okay, fine. We will understood all this. Okay. So basically, for example, in this operator is this plus sign. Okay, minus sign. So all these are operators. Okay. So we got now that what actually is operator. So operator is nothing but a special symbol which is used to perform operation on what? On variables and values. And when we perform that operation, we will get some new data or variables. Okay, new data and new variables. Fine. So let's start from assignment operator. So why we are starting for assignment operator? Because if we understood assignment operator, so we can change our operators. Okay, why? See, because assignment operators actually we in every place we use this equals to. Okay, that's why we are studying assignment operator first. Wait, see, there are lots of operators. There are arithmetic operators, unary operators, assignment operator, relational operator, logical, ternary. But if we start from assignment operator, then actually we will got to know what is that equal, because in every operator we use that equal sign. That's why. Okay. So we are starting for assignment operator. Assignment operator. Okay. Now See, this is the operator inside assignment. This is the operator inside assignment. Multiply, okay, and division, and this one modulus. So these all are assignment operator. So sorry, these all are arithmetic operator. Now I am teaching assignment operator. So this equal is the assignment operator. How? See, as I have teach you variable and data type, so we can write like this: int a equal to 5. Okay. So see here, 5. This value is holding inside this a. But when, see, this 5 will hold inside a when this 5 which is of int type should be matched with this int, okay, this data type. So what actually happens in controller? So controller first check this, okay, it is 5 which is of int type. After that it take its check its variable type, okay, data type. So the data type is int. This 5 which is of int type and this data type is of int type. So then this 5 will hold inside this a, okay, like this. Again, let's take char equal to c equal to a. So first of all, the controller will come here and it will check that what type of data is this. Now the controller get to know that it is of char type. So after that, it will just check that what type of this char is, means this data type is. So it is also of char type. Then this a will hold inside this c. Okay, this is the math. This is a process. So the controller will move from right to left. Okay, right to left. See, it will hold 5 inside this a and this alphabetic uppercase a inside this char c. Okay, let's take one more example. For example, let's take int. Okay, now I'm taking I equal to 25L. Now see here, what type of data is this? Okay, so this is of long type. Okay, this is of long type. Now this long type, the controller will come here and check, okay, this value is of long type. Now it will try to match with this int and that match will didn't happen. Why not happen? Because this type is different from this int type. So the data will not store inside this I and we will get compile time error. Okay, that so the type should be get matched. But as I taught you in the previous classes that we can do, as we can use that typecast operator, means narrowing. With that narrowing it will be possible to store inside I, but there will be loss of data as long is bigger than int and we try to store inside this int type I. So in that case there can be a loss of data. Okay, so so we use at that time that typecast operator explicitly. Okay, fine. So this is the assignment operator. Okay, it is an assignment operator. Okay, fine. Come here. So let's start compiling this. First of all, you should have JDK, okay, set up inside your laptop for doing code. And I am using Notepad because in the starting we should all understood our language in Notepad. Till methods we should use Notepad. Okay, after that we can jump to IDEs. Okay, integrated development environment like Eclipse. Okay, VS Code, IntelliJ, NetBeans, okay, all that. But before, not directly. Before that, we should learn inside Notepad, okay, because from the ground level we should learn. So first of all, I'm opening my Notepad. So you can see here, okay, blank page. Now I will type code. So first of all, we should write class, okay. Then we should write class name. So what problem assignment operator. So let's take assign this as a name of our class. and parenthesis. Okay, now let's make main method. Okay, let's make main method. Public static void, okay, main string args. Okay, now see here. Now see here. Now we have done the work, but we don't know this class. Okay, we don't know this public static void main. What is this all are? But but what actually is that Java who Java creators made Java like that we should focus inside this block in the starting. Okay, no need to take this tension of this class, okay, this public static void main in the starting. But when we learn oops, at that time we will get to know this all. But the main focus we should for now is this block, okay, inside this block. So let's write the code. Okay, we are doing assignment operator. So basically, see, inside assignment operator, we write like this: int a equal to 5. Okay, so we are assigning 5 inside a. Okay, now let's take char equal to c equal to uppercase a. So we should write in the single quote. Okay, this c equal to a, a should be in the single quote. So it is there int a and char c. Now I will just print it. System dot out dot print ln. Okay, now I'm just writing let's take a first. Okay, now again just copy paste this print statement and write here c. Okay, now control s. See, I will store inside Java code. Okay, inside desktop I created one folder named Java codes, and there I will just paste my this class. Okay, this file. So assignment name should be same as a class name, not compulsory, but it should be a practice that I will tell you in the further classes. Okay, why should write same name as a class name and a file name. Dot java. Now I will save this. Okay, now I have saved this. Now just come here. Okay, now just come here and press C. First of all, assign C. This folder is here. Okay, so simply come here on Java code and press and write cmd and press enter. The window will open. Okay, now type simply java c, okay, assign, okay, dot java. So we are just doing compilation. Okay, if the other our file will get compiled, so that what we will get, so we will get class file. So here you can see that assign dot class. So we will get that class file. Okay, uh, so now just I write java, okay, assign. We are just executing it. If there will be any exception, then that it will be shown here on the console. Okay, enter. So that 5 are coming. Okay, now again come here on the code. But if we will try to store here 5l, so it can be possible. Let's check. Control s. Again come to cmd, clear screen. The command is cls. The screen will get clear. Now just execute it. See, possible lawfully conversion from long to int. Okay, possible lawfully conversion from long to int. The compiler is thinking that we are just trying to convert L long to int, but it can't be possible because the memory size of long is bigger than the size of int a. Okay, so what we can do, just convert with the help of typecast operator. Now see that our long value convert into the int type. Okay, even though there will be a loss of data, it will no matter for the compiler because we are doing forcefully. Even though there will be loss of data, just happen it, just convert long to int. Okay, so simply control s. come to the compiler, just compile it, run it, see. Now the answer is coming. But there is no change. It's looking same as 5. As you are thinking all that there will be no loss of data, but there is a loss of data. Come here. See. 5L. Okay. Let's take 5.5F. Okay. Now let's see here what will be the output. Okay. As it is 5.5F and we're converting to int A. Okay. So let's see what will be the output. Control S. And let's go to the CMD. Okay, just first compile it, then run it. See, the answer is 5A. Okay, 5. 5 because this there is a loss of data. The point 0.5 value just remove from here. Okay, so that's why. Okay, fine. So let's come here again. So till now we just understood this, how that we can do the changes. Okay, means how can we do use widening and narrowing. And for widening no need to just do explicitly, implicitly it will be happen. For example, let's take long. Okay, long L equal to 6. Okay, by this you can't understand, so that's why first of all I should write like this so you will get understood. Int I equal to 5 and this long L equal to I. Okay, now I will try to just print this L. Fine, let's remove this C. See, 5 equal to I equal to 5, so it will get hold inside I, and I will hold inside long, but it is of different data type. It is at which type? I. It is of int type, but it is holding inside long. So that's why the winding happens, and whenever the winding happens, it happens implicitly. It is not doing happening, means it is implicitly means apne aap, means by own, we are not doing anything. Okay, so let's see the output. See, 5. Okay, so int is converting to long by its own, not explicitly or forcefully. Okay, that's the point is. Fine. So this is the narrowing, widening, which we can do inside assignment operators, and this equal actually the assignment operator. Okay, so let's jump to the next arithmetic operator. Yes, let's do this. Okay, inside this we will get to know more and better understanding of assignment operator. Okay, better understanding of assignment operator. Inside a assignment operator there is compound assignment operator in which we just do shortcuts, and okay, we do provide some shortcuts and uh, convert it into the output. Okay, so first of all let's understood arithmetic operator. After that I will teach you all. Like let's come here. Okay, again, see here. For example, I'm taking int a, okay, equal to 5. Again, int b equal to 6. Now we will just have to do addition. Okay, so again I am taking one more int c equal to a plus b. Okay, so sum will happen. So this plus is what? It is an arithmetic operator. Minus is what? It is an arithmetic operator. Divide, multiply is what? It is an arithmetic operator. And there is one more, modulus. That is also the uh, arithmetic operator. And what is actually the modulus is, that will also I will teach you. Okay, so no need to worry. Now just I am just showing this. Then I will jump to the println C, control S. Come to the CMD, Java C assign.java. See, the sum will come. Okay, because of arithmetic operator. Now, see here, what we are doing. Int a equal to 5 semicolon. No need to write like this. You can write one more way. Just provide comma here and b equal to 6. Let's take now 4. Okay, then the output will be 9. Now again Control S, go to CMD, okay, clear the screen, Java csang.java and Java assign. See, the 9 answer is coming. Okay, so this is a shortcut to write. Okay, now come here again and see one more shortcut. C equal to A plus B. So how you can write? Okay, so this you can't write. Okay, for different manner you can provide shortcuts. See how. I have taken 5. Okay, and I am doing what? A equal to A plus 6. Let's take 5 again. So what will be the output of this A? The output of this will be 10 by C. What is the previous value? 5. What we are adding? 5. And in which we are assigning? A only. So this 5 and this 5 will get add and become 10, and we will get this value as 10. Okay. So Control S, come here, Java csang.java. Okay. So here we will get 10. Now come here. See how I have wrote here. How I have wrote here. A equal to A plus 5. Simply remove this. First remove this all. Okay, remove this all. Plus equal to 5. Okay, this is a shortcut. See, plus equal to 5 means this this A equal to A plus 5. Okay, both are similar. A plus equal to 5 is what? This only. A equal to A plus 5. Okay, so this is a shortcut. And for, wait, see, okay, after that I am doing A minus equal to 2. Okay, so what will happen? A equal to A minus 2. This is the thing. Okay, so first we are adding 5, so it will become 10. After that we are directing 2, then the output will become 8. Control S. Okay, come here, Java csang.java, just print. See, the output is 8. Okay, fine. So this is the thing. Now this plus minus is the arithmetic operator, but there are more. See, let's take I have to explain you plus minus. Okay, now I am going for division. Let's first take multiplication. Int a equal to a, not int a, only a. Okay, a equal to a into 2. Okay, see what will happen. A is what? 5. What we are multiplying? 2. Okay, so 5 into 2 will be 10. Okay, so here the output will be 10. Control S, let's go to CMD, Java C 10. Okay, fine. So this is a multiplication, and there is one more, that is division. But before division I should want to tell you about modulus. So come here, see what is modulus is. So let's take int, okay, int b equal to, fine. Now uh, a modulus, okay, 2. See what will happen here. A is 5, okay, and we are just doing modulus 2. Okay, modulus 2. So what is actually this is 5 modulus 2, the output will be the remainder. Okay, see here, if we are taking 2, okay, divide 5, okay, and the quotient will be 2, it will be 4, and the remainder will be 1. Okay, fine. Now come here on the notepad. See, int b equal to a modulus 2. Okay, b equal to a modulus 2. Fine. So this 2 is what? This 2. Okay, this a is what? This 5, and the result is what? This 2. Got it? This divisor 2 is what? We are dividing it, so it is here. A is what? That value, and b is what? That remainder. Okay, that is the only what is remainder. Okay, fine. Again come here, notepad, see See, provide here b, okay, control s, just run it. See, the remainder is 1. Okay, fine. Come here. See, if we will just do it 4, so remainder will become 0 because 4 will divide with 2. So the remainder will come 0. That's why then in the on the console we will get output as 0. Okay, control Java C. See, the output is 0. Fine. Got it. Hmm. Fine. So something more to tell inside this? Yes, why not? Now we know arithmetic. Okay. Now we will just do addition division. See here. A modulus 2 b equal to a modulus 2. Hmm. Now I want to do division. Okay. For example, I have take int a equal to 9. Fine. After that I am taking int b equal to 2. And I am storing inside int c equal to a divided by b. Okay, this is the answer. What actually I'm doing, c equal to a by b. So the output should be what? Okay, output should be what? Let's see this. If we do like this and we will print c, then the output will be what? First, let's go there and see. So it will coming 4. Okay, so why? See, it is 9, it is 2, but we are dividing, then we will getting 4 because we are just storing the value. Okay, see, it is by default int. It is by default int. And when we divide int by int, then what we will get? A int value. Okay, that's why for this 4.5, 4.5 the actual output, okay, output, but they are just removing this point and 5 means they are removing this pointer value. Okay, so that's why the 4 is coming because uh int can hold only that numbers, not decimal values. Okay, that's why it get removed from there. Fine. Now if we, what will happen if we take double, then the problem will not get solved. Okay, let's see here first. Control s, come to cmd, java c like this, just execute it. See, again the loss of data. Yeah, it is 4.0, a decimal, but no, the loss of data, the actual data is what? The actual data is of 4.5. Okay, so come here, see here. Now what we will do? See, simply we want to make this a, okay, as double, then we can get that answer. Okay, simply do this as double, double. Okay, let's see this can get us a right answer or not. Control s, go to cmd. So now we are getting 4.5. See here what actually happened. What actually happening is that double, we make this double, and we will, when we will divide double by b, which is of int type, we will get double because double memory is bigger. Okay, so that's why when it divide with int, the means overall output will be of double type. Okay, that's why we will getting 4.5 now. Okay, so that value we are storing inside this. But what happen if we will make it as int? Okay, now let's see. Control c, come here. See, we will getting error. We are trying to make double as int. Now as it is dividing, b is dividing with a, which is of double type, means forcefully, so the overall outcome will be of double type, but we are storing inside int, so we are getting error. Now what you will do, take this all okay, as in one bracket and convert it into int. Again there will be loss of data. See how till here it will be 4.5, but because of this again the output will come 4. Okay, so see here, control C, come here, open this cmd, enter C, double to int. Okay, double to int. So finally so here is output, means it is not taking as int. Okay, it is not, it is get confused. Okay, it is get confused, the compiler, the controller is get confused. It is thinking that we are just converting double to int. Okay, which can't be possible. So there is an error. Fine, so it can't happen. Okay, so just remove this int, it's not working. Fine, remove all this. Okay, so this is the thing, the important thing. Rest of the things are very easy. Okay, rest of the things are very easy. The main points I have just told, that when we are divide, then there is a loss of data, so how to handle that, and the shortcut way which I have explained you, like this, plus equal to 10. So these are the important things which should we know inside assignment and arithmetic operator. Okay, fine. Now come here. Hey bro, hello bro, what are you doing? Message deleted. Hey Vishal, can you tell us about Spring Boot and microservices? Typecasting, right? Okay. Means, see, Spring Boot and typecasting. Yes, yes, typecasting. Yes, typecasting. Hey bro, what are you doing? Wait, Raghu, teaching. Nice. So one person is asking about Spring Boot. Okay, so it is a framework in which we just free from the configuration part and that extra work that we do. Okay, boiler code that we tell, that we do in the extra work, that all get removed, and we just focus on Spring framework. Okay, not on the logics. Okay, we just focus on the logics, like we don't need to take tension for adding Tomcat server and all that, because of Maven, because of dependency. Okay, if you have knowledge of servlet and JSP, then what actually I am telling, you will get to understood. Okay, if come here, see, I'm just opening Spring initializers. Okay, see here, this is a page where we can create our Spring Boot projects. Okay, so see here, Java is selected, Maven is selected. Because of Maven, we can do add dependencies. Okay, come down. See, 3.3.4 is the Spring Boot version. Okay, we can't use this all because they are inside testing part. Okay, come down. See, here is our group. Okay, artifact is the project name. And these all things are. Come up and see when we are adding. Okay, for example, Spring Web. So you can see here the automated things are showing here. See, Spring MVC, see, using Apache Tomcat. So as we have to download a Tomcat and we have to just configure inside Eclipse in our IDs. Okay, so these are all long process. We have to not take tension of that inside Spring Boot. It is fully automated. Okay, fully automated. Inside this also, you also no need to create objects. The object will also created by its own. So lots of thing here is automated. But before this, we should know about uh, what we can say, servlet JSP, because beside that these things only are working. Okay, and this is the means framework of that all. So we should first learn servlet JSP, okay, JDBC. After that we should jump on Spring Boots, okay. That's the thing. So here actually, and the see, and microservices is what? Microservices is that your modules, okay, your small modules become one big projects, okay. For example, there is a Facebook, okay, there is a Facebook. Now inside Facebook there may be a profile page, okay, profile page. There can be a home page, okay. So then, as a Facebook is a project, so these are the part of the Facebook which are profile and home, okay. But in the case of microservices, this profile become one project, okay, and this home become one project, okay. Means this project will be hold by means work by different person, and this project will be work by different person. Before microservices, these all are modules which is a part of Facebook, but as microservices come into the picture, then this profile become one project and this home become one project. Why we are doing this? Because as our app and projects grow, so the projects become bigger. So to reduce this dependency between these pages, we go for microservices, okay. And see why, when we write a code of profile, somehow there will be the code of home. So there is a confusion between home and profile when the code become larger. So that's why, due to just remove because of that disadvantages, this microservices introduced in the market, okay. This is the microservices. And the Spring Boot is what? It is the latest framework, okay, which are which in which the companies are doing projects real time, because it is a quick development, okay. Because in that Spring initializers, sorry, Spring Boot, what they do actually is just they remove that all configurations, okay. Like when we have to just connect with MySQL database, in that case, we have to just download jar files from the Google, and we have to put inside our library, okay, where we do code. But as Spring Boot come, we just don't take tension of that jar files, okay. All are present here. See, we are here at dependency. Just write MySQL. See the driver we will get. How fast, okay. Previously, what we have to do? We have to just go to the Google and we have to search there, okay, like that. Like when we don't have Spring Boot, we have to just go like this, Apache Tomcat here, okay, and we have to download that file from here. But when as Spring initializers come, so it make that thing as a embedded, okay. So Spring Boot make the thing as embedded, automated, okay. So we don't need to take all this tension, just focus on the logic. This is the Spring initializers, okay. This is the Spring Boot, in which how and what is this all things are. So we can create our project from here and download it from here, generate, okay. That file we will come, the file will get in a zip, and we just convert into the folder, and we from there we open and can do the project, okay. So that is the thing is. I think nowadays everyone have core Java basic knowledge from their UG, right time, right? Please start with servlet JSP like advanced Java, so that freshers will like to listen, because the people listen like to listen new topics. Okay, this is just a suggestion from my side. Don't take it badly. Thank you. Your explanation is good. Thanks. Okay. So now actually I'm just teaching from the core Java, because everyone can listen this. And with that also I'm doing the advanced part also, okay. See here, come here, Vishal version Java. Vishal version. Now listen my important words, okay. See here, as we all know that we all know that core part Java, okay. But the problem is that actually we don't know, okay, and we're just jumping on Spring Boot. So who are the learners who are learning Spring Boot, okay? They may don't have a strong core Java knowledge, okay. See, I don't know how much time they spent on core Java, but the time that should be invested on core Java should be of 60, 70, 80 hours. Okay. In fact, I only, okay, invested 100 hours inside core Java. Okay. 100 core Java. That much of time I have invested to learn this subject. Okay. After that, the advanced part come on the picture, but whoever a strong inside core Java, for them it is very easy to learn advanced Java part, Spring Boot part, because there the things become more easy only. Okay, yes, the extra thing will come like we have to go for configurations. Okay, we have to go for downloading jar files and put into the library. That problems will may come, but if we our core Java will be strong, after that everything become easy. In my point, see, if your core Java is strong, MySQL is very easy. Okay, advanced Spring Boot are very easy. All these things are very easy. Now, like what you have told here, hmm. Because the people, I think nowadays everyone have core Java basic knowledge from their UG time, right? Please start with servlet JSP like advanced Java, so that the fresher will listen to. Yes. So till now, actually, I have completed core Java in Hindi. I am teaching in English, so more people will connect with me. So that's why I am doing that core Java part, and you may see that what time I have taken to complete this core part. Okay. So if you come down, see Java Basic Part 1 of 2 and Java Basics Part 2 of 2. Combinedly, I have just teach you 20 hours, which is a huge number. Okay. Then also I think that it is very less. Okay. To correct basics only, it may be more than 30 hours. But in YouTube, you can see this that whole concepts are clear. Whole Java complete in 5 hours, 10 hours. That is actually the wastage of time. Okay. That's why actually to correct basics in a deeper way, I am going from the core Java. And who thinks like that knowledge inside core, but it is not actually, because we didn't expanded that much of time inside core Java. See, in the current market, okay, in the current market, yes, I know the job are less, but from now, from last 2 years, but even though the standards are not that much good, okay, because in inside YouTube it is bullshit, means all the videos which come, it is of bullshit, of no use, because they are teaching very slowly. There is nothing teacher and student relationship, okay. They are just doing business, man. All are doing business. Like, see, Java in one video, come here, see, in 12 hours, okay. This is a person who taught 41 hours, then yeah, I can say this is a right person, but the views are less. See, 5K, this is 244K, okay. Just come down. See, he's just completed in 1.5 hours, okay. 3 hours Java. So they are doing business, man. See, 1.3 million he earned his money by teaching 3 hours of Java. He just fooled 10 lakhs people, okay, nothing more. But what in my case, I am just teaching in a very deep way, okay. It may take time, okay. And if you see, if you invest inside core Java for 100 hours, rest 10 hours for the other subjects, okay, like J2EE servlet, it is of only 7 to 8 hours lecture, okay. 10 hours, let's say 10 hours, Spring 10 hours, okay, Spring Boot 10 hours, combinedly whole advanced Java will be only 20 to 30 hours, okay. And rest thing, if you understand advanced Java and Java, after that everything is easy, okay. And new technologies, if you get, you will learn very fastly. But the thing is that we should learn from the scratch, okay. And our core Java actually we think very strong, okay. but it is not that strong. For that, I'm putting more and more time on this control flow statements, okay, like that. So see, even though I am teaching very slowly, okay, even though I am teaching very slowly, but also, wait, Vishal Vardhan Java. Uh, Come to live. So you can see here. Till now, I have taken 6 hours of lectures. Okay, 6 to 7 hours lecture. It is very less, man. Okay, less, man. I am going in a very faster way. For data types, you should spend 3 hours. Then you will get to know what actually is data types. For keywords also. Okay. Then also, yeah, I have teach very less. We spended more than 10-15 hours on these topics. Okay. Then these topics for us become very simple. Okay. So investing time on the basic parts are very much important. Okay. That the lack of students. That's why we can't generate that much of a standard in our country. Okay, because we didn't spend time. For example, a basic education systems is only a false. Why? See, when we used to mug up in our childhood, so we just tell subtraction. Okay, like take subtraction. Teacher also say subtraction. Okay, and we also say subtraction, but it is not subtraction. It's subtraction. Okay, subtraction. So see, from the basics our it is goal. Now that's why we have to learn from the basics. Okay, one more example is that when we study twos are, okay, so twos are like that, but it is actually 2 times twos. That is actually, okay, two times twos, but we just mug it up and it becomes 4. So yeah, that is the point. Let's start our lecture. So till now I have teach you. Okay, fine. So now where we are. Okay, just yes. So we have done this assignment arithmetic. Now let's jump to unary. Okay, unary. What is this unary operator? Okay. Why its name is unary? That is also one point. Unary means one. Okay. Unary means one. See why? Here only one operator operand is there. See, this is a unary. Okay, this is the unary, this is the unary, and this is the unary. These are all unary. Okay, and when we are learning arithmetic operator, so in that case, how we are writing int a equal to b plus c. So it is binary because there are two operands. Okay, there are two operands. That's why it is binary. Got it? And here it is unary because of one operand. What is this operand? These operands are value. Okay, data. This is the operand, and this is plus sign, which is arithmetic operator. Okay, and actual name of these are all increment and decrement operators. Okay, increment, decrement, operator. 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 Fine. Increment and decrement operator. This it is a increment operator. This is the decrement operator. It is an increment operator. This is the decrement operator. But there is also a difference. See, plus plus is pre-increment operator. Minus minus is pre-decrement operator. A plus plus is post-increment operator. A minus minus is post-decrement operator. Okay, like this. So why it is unary? This is unary because here is only one operand is used. Okay, that's why. Now let's jump to the code and see what is this all. See, if we are taking int a equal to 6, okay, if we provide a plus plus, so what will happen? Okay, what will happen? It will increment by 1. Okay, it will increment by 1. And if we will take plus plus a, then also there will be increment, but both increment are different. But first of all I will just show you this. Okay, see, a equal to 6 and we have just increment by 2. Okay, first by this, then by this, so the answer will be 8. But inside post increment and pre increment there is a difference that I will show you. Okay, first of all let's see this. So it's coming 8, fine, it's coming 8. See, now see, let's, how we can understood. See, system dot out dot println. Okay, I'm doing here a plus plus. Okay, after that I'm doing plus plus a. Fine, plus plus a, copy paste. After that we are doing a minus minus and minus minus a, like this. Fine. So what will be the output? Before going to the output, let's understand this inside paint. Okay, with the help of code we will get to know. Nice, means we will get to know easily. Okay, what actually going on. Logics make a man perfect. Okay, so let's see the logic. Whenever we go for increment decrement operator, unary operator, we should first make one box. Okay, let's take this box a, and for now what is the value of a is 6. Okay, so let's check here. See, a plus plus. Okay, what means this a plus plus? A plus plus means first print it, print it. Okay, first print this, then increase. Okay, then increase. This is the meaning of a plus plus. Okay, but what is the meaning of plus plus a is what? First increase it. Okay, and then print it. Then because of this it become 8. Okay, and then this become 8. Got it? What is the difference? Now come here, a minus minus. So in the case of a minus minus, what will happen? First print this, then decrease it. Okay, in the case of minus minus a is what? First of all you should decrease it. Okay, then print it. Okay, so this is the final output. Let's check on the notepad, sorry, cmd. First we should remove this. Now execute it. So you can see here 6886. Okay, 6886. So plus plus a plus plus a minus minus, sorry, not here, here, a plus 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 a minus minus a minus, sorry, a minus 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 a. So these all the answer are. Okay, it is very easy, nothing like that. Okay, now let's jump to the next topic. See, let's change this question. Okay, um 6, let's take one. B equal to 7. Okay, 7, and C is equal to, let's take plus A plus B minus minus. Let's solve this problem. Okay, so what will be the answer of this? System dot out dot println. What will be the answer of this? Control S. Okay, let's check first the output. 14. Fine. So how it is coming? Let's check this inside paint. Let's remove this. See, first of all we should make box. Okay, two box. Now take this as A, take this B. This A will be 6, this B will be 7. Okay, fine. Now see here, plus A. Okay, so first it should print 7 first, because increment will be first. Now here increase. Okay, first print then increase. In the case of B, what it will be? First 7 not. Yes, yes. Actually, what the value of B? Now decrease with 6. Like this. Okay. Plus A is what? Pre-increment. First increase, print, then here we will increase. Okay. First print, then increase. 6 becomes 7. Okay. 6 becomes 7. What actually happened? What actually happening? First increase. Okay, then print. So right way to write is not like this. See, see, plus A. Okay, so first we should go here, convert it to 7, then print here. In the case of B, first of all we should print here 7. Okay, then decrease here, opposite. Okay, in the case of plus A, we should come here first, and in the case of BB, we should first here then here. Okay, opposite. So the answer is 14. So here is 14. Okay, this is a simple thing. Okay, now let's jump to some other topic, some other operators. So I have done arithmetic, unary, assignment. Okay, what is relational? Okay, so relation operators are less than, greater than, okay, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, fine, equal to, not equal to. What are these? These are the relational operators. Okay, these are the relational operators. Its output always be a true or false. Okay, its output will be always true or false. Fine. Its output will be of true or false. See here, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. First of all, let's jump to the code. Okay, and see here. See, int a equal to 10, fine. Int b equal to 20, fine. Now let's see here. Okay, is a equal to b? So we will get boolean value in the output. Okay, if a is equal to b, then we will get true. If not, we will get false. Control S. Okay, CLS. So we will get false. And if we wait it as a 10, b as a 10, control S, it's true. That is only the thing is. Okay, now let's take as not equal to, greater than equal to. Okay, control S, greater than equal to. Again we will get true. Why? Even though greater than, it is not greater than, but it is equal to. So it take both situation. It will take both situation. Okay, for example, if we'll make a as 10, okay, then also we will get true, because it is not equal but greater than. See, true. Okay, fine. That's the thing is, I explained you equal to, greater than equal to. See, there is one more, that is not equal to. Okay, is a is not equal to b? Yeah, it's true. A is not equal to b. A is 20, b is 10. Okay, so we will get true. Fine. Why it's happening? Why is happening? It's happening because, where is the code? Huh. Because a is not equal to b. It's true, man. A is not equal to b. A is 10, b is a is 20, b is 10. If we will make a and b equal and just provide this, a is not equal to b. So for this justification, the boolean value will be false. First we will clear the screen and just execute this. So it is false. That way it's working. Okay. Now let's come here. See, these are relational operator. Okay. In the case of logical operator, see what is logical operator is. Come to the notepad. Okay. There is, these are all logical operator. Okay. And okay, or okay, and one more, that is not operator. Okay, not operator. So let's check this all. Let's check this all. See. Hmm. Uh, 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 I didn't explain you that. A is equal to true. No, 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 no. Let's write inside system out dot println dot println. Okay, see here. Here what actually I do is just taking true. Okay, true, and and true, false. Let's take false. Okay, see here. It is true, and we are just in between this. There is two and operator. After that, it is false. Okay, so what will be the output? The output will be false. Why false? Because if any of one value become false, the whole value become false in the case of AND operator. Okay, see here, again I am just taking one more and making it true. Okay, so what will happen? Again false, because to make AND operator, to make the output as true whole, we have to make all the values as true in the case of AND operator. Okay, so now let's control S and see on the output. So the output is false. To make in the case of all values are true, we have to take input as true. Okay, true and true and true, like this. Control S, come here, print it. So we can say true. Fine. Now let's come here. But in the case of AND, okay, even though there will be, sorry, case of or, even though there will be any one true with two false, we will get true. In the case of or, at least one, to make output as true, only one as input can be true. Okay, that's why I'm making all as false. Okay, so come here, see the output will be true. Fine. To make false, we have to make all as false. Okay, in the case of or, false, control s. Okay, now the output will be false. Fine, this is the thing. This is the thing. Now let's see the not operator. Okay, see, not operator just change the boolean value. Okay, see, if you are taking as true, okay, so the output will become false. See, false. Okay, and without bracket directly we can write. Let's see, false to true to false. Okay, so in the questions how it will be, see, in the question how can we make this, come here, for example we are taking, okay, a greater than b, let's take 10, okay, greater than 20, which is false. Okay, 10 is not greater than 20, but if you provide here not equal to, it will convert that false to true. Okay, that is not operator. CLS, that is not operator. True. Fine. So let's first jump here, okay, and see what we have done. We have done logical, okay, relational, assignment, unity, arithmetic. Let's go to ternary operator. Ternary operator in which there will be three operands. Okay, three operands. Wait, see here in the notepad. I'm writing. And the example of ternary operator is conditional operator, very famous. Okay, conditional operator. See here, int b equal to uh let's take first int a equal to 10. Okay, int b equal to 20. Okay, and here c equals to a greater than b. Fine, question mark. Okay, a colon b. So here you can see this, that this is one operand, this is two operand, and the third operand. That's why it is a ternary operator, conditional operator. Okay, now see here what is the logic behind it. The first is of conditional operator. Okay, sorry, relational operator means the first will be that the output will be always a boolean value. Okay, a boolean value, whatever you write here, but the output should be of boolean value. Okay, output will be always true or false. Fine, here you can apply logical, relational, okay, anything you will provide here, that output should be always of true or false. Here see, a is 10, 20, okay, the value will be false. Okay, the value will be false, then the output will be b, which is hold by c. Okay, hold by c. See here, system dot out dot println, okay, c, control f, come here, 20. Fine, why it's happening, come here, see, a greater than b, if it will be true, then a will get executed and hold with c, hold by c. but it will be false. Okay, then it will be hold by B, and the it will be hold by C. Okay, that's the logic. True will be go to the second operand, false will be go to the third operand. Okay, that's the logic is. Got it? See, now we will just find out the smaller value. Okay, so which is the smaller? That will come to C. So I'm just taking C as small, min. Okay, min, minimum value. So A is greater than B. Okay, which is false. So we should take not like this. Okay, because we have to take minimum. Okay, so I'm just converting it as A less than B. Now see, if A will be small, so it will be hold by A because it become true. Okay, so that's why it's come to A, and minimum value will get printed. Okay, so here I should provide min. Okay, minimum between two values. So that's the logic is. Okay, now come to CMD, Java C, Java 7. So the 10 is the output. Okay, 10 is the output. Why 10 is the output? See, A less than B, which is true. 10 is less than 20. So the second operand will get executed, and it is what? It is 10. Okay, so it will be hold by min value, and we will getting in the console. That's the logic is. That's the logic behind. Okay, fine. Now see, min between three values. Okay, so it is giving min between two. So just take int c is equal to 30. Okay, it is easy to put to get a min of 3. Okay, not an hard. Okay, so now it is min. It is smaller, not the smallest. Okay, so we should take smaller, and this as the smallest. It will make smallest. So what will be the smallest? Okay, now we will get smaller. So use this smaller. Smaller, fine. Should be less than C question mark. Okay, smaller C. This is the logic behind. Okay, system dot out dot println smallest. Fine. Let's check what will be the output. So we are getting 10. Okay, let's vary this. 20, 30, 10. Now I just varied this. Again, if the 10 will come, then our logic is right. Again 10 is coming. Then our logics are right. Now no need to write smaller. Why? See, just convert this. Okay, as smaller. Just put inside this. Control C here. Control V. Control V. Okay. So whole ABC coming to here. So directly we will get smallest. Okay. Now we will get smallest directly. Let's take some random values. 345, 567. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So what will be the output? Let's see. So 123 is the output. Okay. The smallest one. In the max case, we will just manipulate some data from here and hold into the max, and we will get output of this. Okay, and what will happen if we will provide 4? Okay, so let's go for the fourth one, int. So now this is not the smallest. Again it becomes smaller because smallest is something else. Smallest. Let's take int d into the picture. Okay, and let's take this as 55. Okay, fine. Now we are going for smallest. So what is the logic behind this? Just take this as whole. Okay, just make here bracket. Okay, uh, yes, and less than d. Okay, question mark. Okay, again bracket this d. Okay, this, and just what we have to do, take this all, control c, paste here, paste here. So this is the logic to find smallest between 4. Let's check this code will work or not. Let's go to cmd, clear the screen, java csang.java. So yeah, fine, we are getting the smallest, okay, between the 4. And this is the logic behind this. And why, what is this? This is the only the relational operator, sorry, ternary operator, that we can say as conditional operator. Okay, we can say as it as a conditional operator. You are doing great, Vishal. As a learner, every video is mean a lot to me. So it will be very every learner as well. So don't think about viewers. Just keep doing your best. Thank you. Thank you. If you all are connecting with us, with me, then you can do 3 4 things. See, you can just subscribe my channel. You can like or dislike. You can comment if any doubt. Okay, if any doubt, and you can share this to your friends. Okay, if you didn't like my video, you can dislike and also comment negative what's bad from my side. Okay, if you're liking my video, like, subscribe. Okay, share also to your friends. Okay, like this. It's it's a thing that we should tell to you. Okay, fine. So I think that I've covered arithmetic, unary. Okay, unary, assignment, relational, logical, and ternary. Let's do one thing. Let's mix this and solve that problem. Okay, let's mix this all and make a one single problem and solve that problem. First, what is there? Arithmetic operator. Okay, so let's take first arithmetic operator. Okay, fine. See, I'm taking one int a equal to 10. Fine. Again, I'm taking one int b equal to 30. Fine. This is the, now I am doing what? I am doing just adding it. Very easy. Int c is equal to sorry, a plus b. Okay, fine. This is arithmetic operator that we have studied. Very easy. Fine. Now we will just jump and see unary operator. Okay. So in the case of unary operator, what we will do, we will just take int d. Okay. Inside this, what we will do, we will just a plus 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 b minus minus b. Okay. Plus, and for c we will do c minus minus. Okay, this is the question for so sorry, this is the logic syntax. Yes, yes, this is a code for the increment decrement. Okay, unary. Now come here. See, I have just used unary. Now assignment operator. See what I am doing. I am doing d plus equal to 5. This is unary. Okay, so what is this? This is assignment operator. Okay, this is what? This is arithmetic operator. Okay, this is what? This is a unary operator, or we can say as increment decrement operator. This is what? This is also an assignment operator. Okay, this is a part of this. We are providing shortcuts. Okay, now come here and see the next. We have till done assignment. Now for relational. Okay, for relational, what we can do? We can do simply int. Okay, e equal to, is d greater than b? Okay, so this is the relational. Let's take d greater than equal to b. Okay, so here the output, sorry, the e will be not of int type, it is of boolean type. Okay, it is of boolean type. Now after that, what we will do, we will just come here. Okay, we will come here and we provided relational. Now we will go for logical. Okay, now we will go for logical. Okay, so here what I will do, int logical also boolean. Okay, boolean ef equal to, okay, f equal to, let's take e is greater than, e is greater than what, let's take a. Okay, fine, and okay, after that let's take d is less than c, like this. Okay, fine, after that we will take and. Okay, after this we will check is c, okay, greater than a. So this is the logic behind. Okay, and this whole we will convert with the help of not operator. Okay, if the answer will be true, it becomes false. If its value is false, it becomes true. Okay, next. So till now we have done this. What is the last? Ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. Let's use ternary operator. If f g, okay, so g is equal to, let's take it as a string. Okay, string g, and we will take f. Okay, question mark. Okay, after that we will take hello 1, hello 1, and from this hello 2. Okay, so here our every operator that we studied today, we can see as in a single code. Okay, this is the assignment and this is the assignment, this is the arithmetic, this is the unary, this is the relational, this is ternary conditional, and this is what, sorry, this is ternary conditional, and this is logical, this is logical. Okay, so let's write print statement, system dot out dot println. Okay, so here I will take first of all c. Okay, and I will just print this all, control c, v, v, control v. Okay, I will change c, this d. Okay, this e. Okay, this is f. Okay, and this as g. So here the logic that we have created, first we will see the output out, after that we will go for the understanding part, what is the logic behind this. Okay, in this whole operators that we studied today, okay, that we can see in our single piece of code. Okay, that's the logic behind, that's the logic behind. Fine, so just first of all let's go to see the output. After that we will understood this code. Okay. Yes. Wait. Huh. So there is an error. Let's see what is the error. E greater than A. Okay. Boolean second is int. So we can't. First type is Boolean. Wait. Up here. C E. It is a Boolean. C. It is a Boolean. Can't we do like this? Okay. So simply we should change with D. Control. Now let's go and check the final output. Okay. Okay. This is the output. Let's just copy this. Control C. Okay. Come here. Not here, but here. And change this. Okay. Let's remove this. Delete it. Okay. Now come on Notepad. Just copy this. Control C. Come to Paint. Okay. A. Control V. Wait. Control Z. Uh, let's take little smaller. 16. Totally. Yes. So here is the logic and here is the output. Now we'll understand this all. Wait. It's not written a good way. You will get confused. Okay. Just make it little bigger. Now paste. Yeah, fine. Everything is in alignment. Wait. First of all, I want to see something. Then we will solve this problem. Yes. Now let's understand this. See, first of all, we see here int a equal to 10. So now a holding 10. Okay. B is holding 30. Okay, of int type. C is what? As we are adding a plus b, our C become 40. Okay, C become 40. So let's first make the box. Okay, let's first make the box. This is the box for C. All box we should make. Okay, all box for A and for B. And last finally for D. So let's put here A. Let's put here B. Let's put here C. And let's put here D. Okay. For E, F, G, we no need to write like that because one is boolean and the other one is string. Okay. Now let's start. So in the starting, A is 10, B is 30, and we will add both. The final C will become 40. Fine. Now when we will write A plus plus means it is post increment. Okay, post increment in which first it will get printed here A plus plus what will be 10. After that it become 11. Okay, plus minus B. In this first the value will get deducted 29. Okay, 29, and then it will get printed for the B. What will be for the C? C minus minus. First the value get printed as 40. Okay, then the output will get changed to 39. Okay, 39. Now when we add all 50, okay, 50 and 29, 79, okay, the D becomes 79. This is the final output. Now when we will do D plus equal to 5, then 5 will add on D only, okay. So 79 plus 5 is 84, so it will be 84. Now see here, is D greater than equal to B? So what is D? 84. And what is B? From here. Here we will see all the values from here. Okay, all the values from here. So 84 greater than equal to, okay, what? B. So B is 29. So E will be true. Okay, E will be true. Now let's come here. See, D greater than A. Okay, so 84 is greater than A. So yes, true. D less than C. Is D is smaller than C? False. Okay, now come here. C is greater than A. C is what? 39. Is greater than A? Yes, it is. So true. Now the value move from left to right. Okay. First of all, it will check for AND. See, here is written AND. Okay. So in the case of AND, true false, what will be the output? The output will be false. Okay, false. Why? Because to make AND as a true, every input should become true. But it is not possible. Okay, that's why to make it true, every value will be true, but when it is false, that's why overall value become false. Okay, so this all value become false. Now when we provide OR, okay, OR and now it is true. So false or true is what? It will be true. To make it false, every value should be false. Okay, that's why one, if it is in an input, it will be true, then it will become true. So that's why it is true. Now whole value is become true, but as here is not equal to, that's why our value become false. So your f at the final become false. Okay, and as f becomes false, the operand 2 will not get executed. The operand 3 will be get executed. Okay, this operand will not get executed because in the case of false, the controller will controller will go to the operand 2, not to the operand 1. Okay, this is the operand 3. Okay, sorry, operand 2, operand 3, and this is the operand 1. So it will move to the operand 3 and we will get G as a hello. G as a hello. What is the value of G? Hello 2. Okay, hello 2. C, come here. See here. So when we will print C, what is C? 39. So match here. Array. It is 39. After that D, what is the value of D? 84. So match here. 84. E, what is E? So E is true. So E is true. Correct. What is F? F is false. And F is false. So it is also correct. And for G, it is hello 2. Okay, for G, it is hello 2. So it is matched. So that's how we solved all the operator in a single piece of code. Okay, in a single piece of code. Fine. So this is a thing. Okay, this is a thing. And one question coming in my mind for this. Come here in this. Oh, sorry. Come to Google. There is one thing. Okay, Java precedence, dense, and associativity. Okay, this we can see here. Not opening. Okay, not an issue. Come here. Okay, wait. Let's off this. Let's off this. See what is this? Okay, where it's gone. Postfix. Okay, see associativity is left to right. Okay, what is associativity? If both having the same power. Okay, power means as we have read in board mass. So most powerful is what? The most powerful is bracket. After that, what? Uh, multiply like that. Oh, division. Okay, board mass. First division, then multiplication. Okay, then addition, then the subtraction. But in this case, there is two things. If the power will be same, for example, in the board mass, multiplication is weaker than division. But if we will take division and multiplication equal, okay, so what should be the first priority? That is left to right. Okay, so plus minus having the same power, so from where we should move? Left to right. Okay, like this. Into division and modulus are of same power, so what should be the movement? Left to right. Okay, like this. Got it? Plus and minus additivity. Okay, in the case of board mass, plus is bigger than stronger than minus. Okay, so that's why we use plus first. But in the case of this, what we will do? We will first move from left to right. Okay, because if we both in the same case, for example, come here, int a equal to okay 5 plus 6 minus 7. Okay, so it is of same power. Okay, so that's why it should move from left to right. First solve this, then solve this. Even though minus will come here and plus here, then also will have to perform the same rule. First we have to do solve this, whatever the output will be, then it will get solved with 7. Okay, like that. So the movement is from left to right. Okay, relational also same thing, equality also same thing, equal equal not equal equal. Okay, so first the movement will be left to right. Okay, that the thing is the case of assignment operator. Okay, the thing is that fine. This is enough for today class. So I think that I've completed operators. Important. There are lots of operators. See, logical assignment that are unary. I've teach you. See, this is bitwise operator. Okay, there is not that much of use. That's why I didn't teach you. Ternary I have teach. Instance of is also important, but it will understand when we will go for oops. Okay, then we will get to understand this. And yeah, this typecast operator is also a operator. See, it is using here. Okay, and special operators. Fine. So let's wind up this session. If any doubt, you can comment on the comment box. Fine. So first of all,
Hmm.